In case you are creating your own chatbot in 2026, there are two popular solutions available to you, Typebot and Botpress. The problem is both solutions are good in their ways, yet they target different audiences. The latter appears to be more sophisticated compared to other applications. To start with, the platform targets programmers and companies requiring customized development of chatbots. Secondly, it offers multi-platform deployment of your product including WhatsApp, Messenger, and Slack. Finally, one of the key features of Botpress for 2026 lies in the native generative AI stack that is LLM orchestration, knowledge bases, and NLU. What is more, the software works on the pay-as-you-go basis, allowing getting a free tier of AI tasks and incoming messages. On the other hand, Typebot uses the opposite approach by being more intuitive and non-coding. It's a bot making software that features a Lego-like visual interface, custom themes, and numerous integrations with third parties. It shines at building conversations forms and easy-to-use automations that convert well. While providing managed hosting services, its main highlight is a self-hosted model for those who are looking to get total privacy and flexibility without having to pay for the cloud. As far as pricing goes, Typebot offers a free version with starter and pro cloud solutions for those who have to process large amounts of data. Which tool would be best for you then? You should opt for Botpress if you have advanced needs in developing complex AI processes or building bots that will independently browse through your documentation. But in case you are looking for an easy and fast way to build bots, then you'll benefit from Typebot more. Remember this, since even Botpress documentation says that Botpress version 12 has already been sunset for many years, you need to base your choice on a new cloud-native framework. As for Typebot, this service has greatly enhanced its abilities of working with the API and webhooks by 2026, which means it can serve as a front end for more complex backends as long as you spend time connecting things. So, what's my advice here? I'd say that Botpress would be the way to go if you're an expert, someone who wants a powerful platform that can offer a lot more than just simple chatbots. And if you need something easy and pretty with minimum hassle, you should definitely go for Typebot. So, what's the key difference then? Well, you can look at this through the prism of whether you're a power user or not.